Abhijit from Diabetes and Obesity Surgical Solutions. I have with me Miss Mayur Divakar and welcome to Slim by Eat Right. Like I told you earlier, Mayur Divakar is a dietitian with Ruby Hall Clinic Pune. Okay, and she is working with DOS also, and she has been seeing our bariatric patients as well. So Mayuri, what are you making today?
Today I am making hara bhara kebab.
Hara bhara kebab. Yeah, that sounds very yummy. Yeah, tell me.
So it's basically a recipe of again whole moong.
Whole moong. Okay.
Yeah, oats
Oats.
and spinach.
Spinach. Now this is sounding very
three basic
interesting.
ingredients,
Yes.
and rest of the just for the taste.
Okay, then let's get started.
Yeah.
Yes, come on.
For making hara bhara kebab, we require whole moong, spinach, coriander leaves, roasted oats powder, then again whole oats, lemon juice, salt, onions, little bit of oil, and again cumin seed powder and some garlic pods. Let's start our recipe. For our recipe, we require whole moong, spinach, coriander. We have to blend all the ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, so spinach, coriander, again the garlic and some cumin seed powder and salt. Just for saving the time, I already prepared it.
Okay.
So Mr. Abhijit, just pass it on to me.
There you go.
Thank you. This is the blended moong and every ingredient. So we'll just add roasted oats powder.
Okay, you're adding oats powder.
Yeah. It's a hardly friendly food, oats. Why? Because it increases HDL levels,
Okay.
okay, and it low downs the bad cholesterol.
Okay.
So it's very friendly for heart patients, again the bariatric patients also, because it contains high amount of fiber and less of carbohydrates again. So we'll just add according to the requirement. Now we have to make the tikkis.
So, just talk about quickly. I'm asking, what are you going to use as a binding agent in this recipe?
It's a oat powder.
It's the oat powder.
Yeah.
It binds everything together.
Yeah.
And
No potatoes, nothing.
and you can get any kind of oats because there are a lot of brands of oats in the market. So you can get any
brand,
oats.
any brand without flavor, because nowadays the sweet oats
Yes, yes,
are
yes,
also
yes.
available. It contains high amount of sugar.
Okay.
So
So
we have to avoid sugar.
this point be
and
noted.
Yeah.
You should not use sweet. What you said?
Sweetened oats.
Sweetened oats. Okay, because it contains high calories.
So now we have to make kebabs. Whenever we think of kebabs or cutlets or patties, we just roll this on the breadcrumbs.
Exactly.
But again, the bread is prepared with maida.
Maida, exactly.
So it's a refined wheat flour, which is very low in fiber
Okay.
or no fiber at all. So for that, I'm just avoiding breadcrumbs, and instead of breadcrumbs, I'm using whole oats.
Oats again, you're using
Yeah,
whole oats.
yeah.
So
This is
as a
oats
binding
powder.
agent, you use the oat powder,
Yeah.
and for this you're using
Whole oats,
whole oat. Okay.
just for rolling,
For rolling.
and it will like look interesting also.
And probably will it, I mean, because of it, it will probably taste crunchy also.
Yeah, exactly.
Because we are roasting it.
Yeah. Now we'll roast, and it also required few drops of oil.
Okay. I know.
Yeah.
On this whole show, we've only used drops of oil.
Yeah.
We never used oil.
Exactly. You can make it in any shapes, whatever you like.
And probably it's good. Probably you can give this to kids also in their tiffins.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
yeah. It's easy to prepare, easy to eat. Whenever, like, many a times patient ask me, I want to eat in a office or eat in a office bus. So how I eat?
Exactly.
So it's just a piece of patties or a kebab. So you just take it in a hand and eat
And eat it.
anywhere.
Anywhere, exactly. It's easy to prepare as well.
Yeah,
It's time
yeah.
saving also. Otherwise, cooking becomes time consuming.
Exactly.
And again, it will make the patient feel fuller also.
Exactly.
Yeah, bariatric
Because it
patients.
contains high fiber,
Exactly.
so it will suppress the satiety I think it's properly cooked. It's ready to serve. So can you just pass me the
Yeah.
plate?
Sure.
This is homemade tomato sauce.
Okay.
Why homemade? Because in home I'm just avoiding to use whatever the sodium they are using
In the market.
and all the preservatives they
ketchups.
are using to make or to preserve the ketchups. So I'm just avoiding that. So again, it's low in sodium. So again, it's perfect for the heart patient.
Great, great.
Heart-friendly recipe.
Yes, it's heart friendly, exactly.
Again, the obesity also. Because this is the main cause. Obesity is the main cause for
of-
all other diseases
Exactly,
like heart
exactly.
disease, diabetes, and everything.
Yeah, this is the root
It's-
cause of all the
Yeah.
things like hypertension, cardiac problems.
Exactly,
You know?
exactly.
So yes. So come on, can I taste it?
Yes, yes.
Can you pass me a spoon? Yes. So guys, hara bhara kebab. Let me see. It's looking good. All green in color. It's nice. Again, now I'm fed up of saying this again and again. But actually, you can't feel there are oats in this.
Exactly.
You have got that because it's roasted. You have that smoky flavor to this.
Yeah.
It's very good. It's very nice, and like you say, it's healthy too. Grab one more. While hara bhara kebab by Miss Mayuri is really again go green. She is always all green.
Yeah. It's green. It's
Green. It's
Yeah.
totally green. So hara bhara kebab by Miss Mayuri, it rocks. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.